I know, buddy boy, I know. And that's how I keep him on my glove.
Is that your bird?
No, he belongs to Sweetbriar. He lives in an aviary over there. His name is Diego.
Hello everyone, my name is Cholena. I am from the Shinnecock Nation. Here on the East Coast, we've been in contact with colonizers for much longer than many other people. So in that time, we have forgotten some of our traditions and our culture, but we are relearning them with help from other neighboring tribes.
So ladies and gentlemen, that right there, we call it a grand entry.
At my hand, I have a fan. The fan comes from the osprey feathers. The osprey is similar to an eagle and a hawk. It's a bird of prey.
So that's why when I land my blanket at the end of the song, I may land it in front of my future partner. We did do that. Okay. We performed it.
Here, you want this?
She's pooping.
Okay.
We all do it. Okay, she doesn't have a bathroom nearby. That's okay.
She can't wait.
I knew that.
So all of our guard owl is named after Star Trek characters, so she's 7 of 9. But we cut it down to 7. Yeah. We let her fly for a bit, and then she goes back in her enclosure. We do a lot of enrichment stuff with her.
I know, you know, like we don't
Okay, here we go. This is the sound landing.
She's missing an eye.
Yep.
She missed an eye.
The head just whipped around. So that's their song.